I am going to go ahead and I am going to stitch left sides or wrong sides together, and this is going to be the bottom. So I'm going to use this part for the wrong side or the left side. So we'll go ahead and start stitching. Now generally you put right sides together, but I'm doing something a little different here, so stick with me and see where we go. What we're doing here is using the 4 fabric panels that we cut out from the corners of the insert that we made in the previous video. Now these pieces are 11 inches by 11 inches. However, I had to get another piece for the bottom of the unit that we are making. So I went ahead and cut out an 11 by 11 piece from a piece of interlining. Now that I am done stitching, I am gonna go ahead and I am gonna cut off excessive amounts of fabrics that's on the end here. I don't need so much fabric on the seam, so go ahead, all the while making sure I am not cutting my stitch, right? That would be a bad thing to cut your stitch. I'm going to turn the fabric just like so, and I am going to stitch And I'm gonna do it for all 4 sides. Now I am gonna put these together. I'm gonna put them together like wrong sides together. And I am gonna stitch them just like so. And just like what I did previously, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the excess. I don't need the excess. And I'm gonna do that for all 4 corners. Now I am gonna open this, not open it, but turn it inside out. And I am gonna stitch from top to bottom on all 4 corners. Next. I am going to make a double hem, and I'm not going to measure, I'm just going to eyeball it. So it's going to be about a 1/2 inch double hem. Okay. All the way around. Whenever you are stopping to shift your fabric, always put your needle down in the fabric so it does not shift. Okay, so we have used offcuts from a previous project to make a storage bag. Well, this was just a simple demonstration to show you how you can use offcuts to make useful accessories around your home. Now I went through all I did because I did not want any raw edges to be left, so I encased the raw edges, which you call like a French seam, right? Well, I hope this video was enjoyable for you. I hope it was helpful. Please, if you think it was, hit subscribe and help me to reach 5,000 subscribers. Like, share, and leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. I will see you again soon. Thanks for being here.